Hi, my name is Paul. I'm a first-term student here at JTech, and today we'll be performing a few tests on the cooling system. We'll start off with the electrolysis test, which measures for stray voltage of the coolant. Very simple test. We're going to take one lead, dunk it in the coolant, take the second lead, put it on a good ground, take your reading, and you're looking for a max reading of 0.2 volts. If it's anything more, no good. That's all right. Next test will be the testing strips. Now these are very simple. These measure the pH of the coolant. All you do, dunk it in, match up the color to the bottle. If you don't want anything too low or too high, then you know your cooling system's compromised. You're gonna have to do a complete flush. Our third test, we're gonna be using the hydrometer. Also very simple. Dunk the little tube in the fluid. Suck up some coolant. And you're basically looking how many balls are floating here. You got all 5 balls floating. Match it up to the legend here. You got 5 balls floating, meaning your protection is level at -54. Your freezing point will be -54 degrees, and your boiling point is going to be 262 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright, so for the last test, this will be using the refractometer, which is basically measuring the same thing as the hydrometer, but we're focusing more on the freezing point. Now this is basically what we're going to do. We're going to take the fluid from the hydrometer, dab a little bit onto the lens here on the refractometer. Close that up. And look through. And we're measuring ethylene glycol, so you have to make sure you're looking at the right side of the gauge. And take your reading, which is about negative 10 degrees Fahrenheit. And that wraps up the cooling test. Thank you very much.